Hi, good morning. This is day 1 before I go on Versatile Vicky diet. Make sure you stick with me. The idea of the diet is to have 3 boiled egg, a cup of green tea, 3 boiled egg, a cup of green tea, what's it called? Carrot or cucumber, or carrots and cucumber, a little bit of beet, a little bit of both, yes, and also to have oats. You can have more than 160 grams of oats with semi-skimmed milk and some fruit, but I don't really like dry fruits in my because I think they're full of sugar. So I might just have the oats with tiny little bit of honey and a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a video of what I eat every day. You don't have to stay the whole length if you can, but that is what I'm going to be having with green tea. I might not be having green tea every day. I've got my detox tea. I've got my sleeping tea because you might get restless at night. So I've sort of prepared my common sense. I've prepared using my common sense. I've got, what's it called again? I've got other teas because I love to buy teas. And I'm known for buying teas in my household. So, yeah, so, that there. So, yeah, let's get started. Right now, for breakfast, I'll show you what I'm going to make for breakfast. Not green tea, but I'll show you. So, to prepare my first drink for the morning, rather than the green tea, she said, I'm having ginger. That's a little bit of minced ginger, cinnamon, a little bit of cayenne pepper. Ooh. This is what just happened there. I put it on the towel. Again. Cayenne pepper, squeeze of lemon, and a little bit of hot water. It's like a shot. Apparently, cayenne pepper helps to boost the system, so the garlic helps to cleanse, the lemon helps to cleanse as well, the cinnamon sort of helps to boost the immune system, and you know, all those rara. Give it a good stir. This is gonna taste. So I've got my cup of Tastes quite nice. Far better than apple cider vinegar. Ugh. That thing is nasty. Day 1. So I'm meant to have a lot of energy from drinking this. I decided not to add, what's it called? I might not show you drinking this every morning, but you see me prepare every morning. Apparently, cayenne pepper as well, helps with energy and all those things. I decided not to put honey or any syrup to cut down on the calories. And that's my cup. Emptilization. Now, I'm going to take the kids to school and hit the gym. That is where the fun begins. Oh, and remember, drink a lot of water. Water is good for you. Drink water. And it's free from the ads. Maybe not free in the shop, but you get my... So we're clear. The day is 26th of September. Yes. So I'm just waiting to drop one of my daughters at her school before I go to my gym. As you can see, that's one of my picking there. Say hello. Yeah. So we are clear on the day. 71. I don't want to overdo it, so I don't get exhausted too much. Moreover, I've only slept for 3 hours. I went to night vigil yesterday. Tuesday, day 20. The 20 what? The 25th. So today is 26. I'm just gonna stretch it out and head home. I've done a lot for today already. I look forward to my eggs. eggs. I want eggs. That's the time. I still haven't eaten any of my eggs because I'm still working. But this is how my day goes on every day, where I finally had to stop to eat because I'm busy and it's all about food and more food. So I need willpower for the next 9 days, even for the whole of the 10 days, because we're still in I'm allowed to eat carrots. I'm gonna have half of this carrots and save the rest for tomorrow. Alright? Before I get back and eat my eggs. But I'm gonna have this carrot so I don't fall into that. Oh, I need to have that sugar rush. I need to eat something sweet. My 3 eggs, the other ones I'll probably put them in the fridge. I think that's what I'm gonna do, and have porridge and apple this evening. I'm adding a little bit of cayenne pepper. I want something else. I'm a Yoruba girl, Nigerian girl. We like pepper. So in here I've got my tea, which is matcha lemon tea. I'm probably gonna eat this, sit down a bit and sleep. I'm a bit tired. Yeah, not from the diet, but I'm tired because I've only had a few hours sleep and I've been up and down cooking, doing deliveries in between. All right, so I'm gonna eat. See you shortly. So I had a quick nap. It's time to head to church, but before I go, I'm gonna have my oats. So here's the time. I've got my oats. It's 33 grams of 180 calories. So yeah, I'm gonna have 1 apple and 1 of my eggs with the oats. I'm actually gonna eat in the car because otherwise I'll be running behind. Porridge, I did not use any milk at all. Instead, after making, I added 15 ml of skimmed milk. The banana will go in as a sweetener, and then I have 1 of my eggs and a bottle of water. When I get back from church, I'll just make myself my celestial extra slipper tea, and that'll be bedtime for me. So I'll see you at bedtime. Say this porridge tastes nice. No, it doesn't, because there's no sugar. But I'm eating it like that anyway. I'm eating it like that. So we're going to bed. Yay! That's the time. That's the tea I'm having. Sleep time extra infused. I'm winding down to go to bed. It's been a very great day today, to be quite honest. The only reason I feel I'm tired is because I didn't get enough sleep last night. I went to Fiji, so I came back very late this morning. Then I had to take the children to school, then I had to do my job in between. So that's the reason I'm a little bit tired. So once I drink my tea, I relax a bit, and then I can sleep. Tomorrow, we'll start again, day 2. Yay! So thank you so much for watching this long video. It seems boring, but hey, you've got to watch it because we are learning. All right, thank you so much. NigeriaInfusions.com. Love, peace, love yourself, peace, joy, happiness. Sleep tight. Bye.